When you search for the best digital tire pressure gauge, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. The Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge caught my eye right away, especially with its affordable price of just $7.97. With over 71,700 ratings averaging 4.4 stars, it's clearly a favorite among users. If you want a reliable gauge that gives you peace of mind on the road, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about this gauge is its expert-grade calibration. It's accurate to within ±1 psi, meaning you can trust it during emergencies. Plus, the illuminated nozzle and backlit LCD screen make it easy to use even in dim conditions. No more fumbling around at night. It measures pressure in 4 different units, so you can switch from psi to bar with a simple button press, which is really handy. Now I'll be real with you, some users mentioned that the gauge feels a bit lightweight and might not be as durable as they'd like. But here's the thing, for the price, its accuracy and features really make up for it. If you handle it with care, I think this gauge will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, reliable tire pressure gauge for everyday use. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for extreme conditions. Honestly, at this price point, you get excellent value for your money. Now, if the lightweight feel of the Astro AI bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ETNWLF T300 Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Next up is the ETNWLF T300, priced at just $5.79, which makes it one of the most budget-friendly options on the list. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 8,500 reviews, it's clear that this gauge is making waves. If you want accuracy without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. What really sets the ETNWLF apart is its ability to handle extreme pressure ranges from 3 to 200 psi. Whether you have a low-pressure bike tire or a heavy-duty truck tire, it delivers consistent readings. Plus, it's built to withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees F to 130 degrees F, thanks to its built-in AI chip, meaning you won't have to worry about it malfunctioning in tough weather. However, some users have mentioned that it lacks a Presta valve adapter, which can be a hassle for bicycle owners. But if you're primarily using it for cars or trucks, it's not a deal-breaker by any means. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable gauge for a variety of vehicles at an unbeatable price. Skip this one if you specifically need a gauge for bikes without extra purchases. Overall, it's an excellent value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more functionality. Product number 3, ETNWLF Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 2-Pack. The ETNWLF Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 2-Pack comes in at $15.17, which is a fantastic deal for 2 gauges. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 2,100 reviews, it's a popular choice. If you want reliability and backup in one purchase, this is definitely worth a look. These gauges also measure from 3 to 200 psi and are calibrated to ANSI standards, which means you're getting accurate readings for all types of vehicles. The LED light feature makes it easy to read in dark conditions, and the replaceable AAA batteries ensure you won't be left with a dead gauge. Now, some reviews did mention that the 2-pack could have included a case for storage, which would have added more value. But honestly, for 2 well-functioning gauges, I think you'll find that minor drawback easy to overlook. This is perfect for you if you like having a backup gauge or need one for multiple vehicles. Skip this one if you only need one gauge and want to save even more money. It's a solid value for what you get. Now, if you need something a bit more advanced for your tire maintenance, the next product in line has additional features you might appreciate. Product number 4, Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator. Next, we have the Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator priced at $23.74. With an impressive rating of 4.6 stars from around 34,600 reviews, this is a must-see if you're looking for a multifunctional tool. If you want to take tire maintenance up a notch, this one's for you. This gauge is professionally calibrated and can measure pressures from 3 to 250 psi, making it suitable for everything from cars to heavy-duty vehicles. The built-in inflator function lets you both check and adjust tire pressure, which can save you a lot of time at the pump. Plus, the heavy-duty construction means it can withstand regular use. However, some users pointed out that it could be a bit bulky compared to standard gauges. But here's the thing, the convenience of having an inflator in the same tool can really outweigh that drawback, especially if you're often on the go. This is perfect for you if you want the all-in-one convenience of inflating and measuring tire pressure. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and compact. For what it offers, it's well worth the investment. Now, if you're focused on durability and need something heavy-duty, the final product might just be your best bet. Product number 5, Astro AI Heavy-Duty Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Finally, we have the Astro AI Heavy-Duty Digital Tire Pressure Gauge priced at $19.93. With a strong 4.6-star rating from over 15,700 reviews, it's designed to meet the needs of heavier vehicles. If you're looking for something built to last, this one is definitely worth your attention. This gauge features a durable stainless steel construction, perfect for rough use, while its backlit LCD and flashlight ensure you can read it even in low light. It measures from 0 to 230 psi, making it versatile enough for trucks, RVs, and motorcycles. Plus, it auto shuts off to save battery life, which is a nice touch. Now, some users did mention that it's slightly heavier than other gauges, which can be a downside if you're looking for portability. But for the functionality and durability you get, I think it's a trade-off worth making. This is perfect for you if you need a tough gauge for heavy-duty vehicles. Skip this one if you want something super compact. You definitely get what you pay for here. In conclusion, whether you're looking for affordability, multifunctionality, or heavy-duty reliability, each of these gauges offers something unique. Make sure to choose one that fits your specific needs. To quickly recap, we looked at the Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge as the budget-friendly winner, the ETNWOLF T300 for its versatility, the 2-pack from ETNWOLF for double the value, the multifunctional Astro AI with inflator, and the heavy-duty option from Astro AI. Each has its strengths, so pick one that meets your needs best.